Hello. Right, I'm in Phuket, and this place is Big Buddha, and I'm just standing on the top of the cliff, and this is a huge view. Oh, and it's like maybe let's say maybe I might be around 1,000 feet above the sea level, I guess. So on the background, you can see, I think might be few mini islands. Wow, and the whole streets of Phuket can be seen here. Let's have a look of Big Buddha right now. Wow, this is marvelous architecture. So it's like a big Buddha who sits on the cliff, and probably this is the highest point in Phuket, I believe. And a lot of people come here and spend time and have a view of this. Uh, what do you say? One of the tourist spots in Phuket. Yeah. Okay. Hope you guys like this. Just have a look once again. And just to keep you guys aware, there is drones running over here. I think most of the people take drone videos. uh, yeah, so probably I should also plan for a drone coming in coming days. All right, okay then, enjoy, and if you wish, please re watch this video again. Thank you, bye bye.